Hello everyone, Nissan Qashqai 26 year J10 generation with the standard monochrome system without any needed functions for modern drivers. So what do we do today? We will install the same system as was installing in Qashqai from approximate 2010 years with a maximal trim level with Bluetooth audio, touchscreen, navigation, Bluetooth handsfree, and so on. Installation will be done plug and play. We will not cut the car's wiring without losing any functionality. Let's start. Well, the work is done. We installed Nissan Premium 08 IT navigation system. So now we have the touchscreen, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth handsfree, navigation, available any country, region, maps, so it may be Europe, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Australia, New Zealand, the United States. Eight European languages are available. All the functions work. Everything was installed plug and play without the car's wiring cut. Fuel economy, fuel consumption, and so on works. Buttons on the steering wheel. Also USB input for audio and video files. DVD, CD, music box 30GB, so you can save the music. So it's the same system as in Qashqai X-Trail from 2011 years maximal trim level. Many thanks for watching. If you want to do the same with your car, feel free to contact us. Our contacts you can find in the description. Many thanks for watching. Stay safe and bye bye.